Today we are going to discuss about our new indicators and we are going to discuss how I picked the momentum stocks. First we'll see what is the easy screener available on TradingView, from which I had selected Hirect. So as you know, I had bought Hirect at around 1386.8. I had bought it on 28th July. And if we see the chart, it's kind of consolidation and it's breaking out. The breakout has happened and it went up nicely. Before that, there is a base, there is another base. So if we do manual analysis, then there was downtrend, then accumulation went up in markup, then reaccumulation and fresh breakout. How can we see the stocks? That was one question. Screeners. Normally, what I do is I run a screener where I can find out the stocks which are moving 8 to 10%, so that I know the stocks are not lower circuit stocks, means 5% circuit stocks, and they are highly liquid. So I use the list which shows me 10% up in a day. The stocks which have moved 10% in one day, that means they are not the stocks which fall in 5% or 10% category. If a stock can move more than 10% on some day, it will come in this list, and this helps me to identify stocks which have potential to move larger. Then I make list and I go through the list and I check the stocks which are as per my parameters. Then during the day also I can find some stocks, like here we have this screener. Here I click, you can see this screener on right side panel. So there is a circle here. You can see screeners is written. Click there. I have just kept market is Indian market and market cap more than 10 billion. In this, what I do is I check those stocks which are positive for the day. If I want to buy stocks, I check the stocks which are positive for the day. So when we sort this, we can change it to descending order or ascending order. I keep it in descending order so that I see which are positive stocks. So when I start at 9:15, the stocks, some are the stocks which are 10% up, 7, 8% up. I neglect those stocks because after 8%, 10% move, there is nothing left. Even if it goes to 20%, I will not be able to capture any good profit in that, because risk reward matters. So what I do is I go down and I check the stocks which are about 2%, 3% up, or 3% or less. So that if these stocks move, they can have good potential moves. So those stocks which are moving less than 3% till 9:30, they have good potential. They can give me some entry signals. So I go to those stocks, I click on the stock and the chart opens here. The chart opens here automatically when we click here. And then I use my tools to identify what are the stocks. So somebody had asked me this question. Vikram sir, I think you had asked me how to find out the stocks, how to
Yes, sir.
make the.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, can
So
you
this
just
is the
again tell?
screener.
Can you just again tell where you click for this list?
So when we check the chart on the right side here, we have watch list at top right.
Yeah.
Come down here. Can you see my arrow coming down?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Cursor
sir.
is coming.
Yes, sir.
Here there is a circle.
Okay. Okay.
Screener is written. Click
Yeah.
on that.
Okay. Okay.
This screener opens like this.
Yes,
You
sir.
can change the parameters, whatever criterias you want. You can keep those parameters. I
Okay.
just keep market as Indian market and market capitalization more than 10 billion.
Okay.
So 10 billion and above, that is the criteria. You can use 10 billion, 2 billion and above if you want that. That is also fine. But I use 10 billion and above.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this way I get lot of stocks here. And when we click here on any stock name, the chart opens automatically.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.